What's up, guys? So I ended up going with the 22 RPD turbo kit for the E36. When I got everything in, I dropped all the parts off with my friend Josh to get it all Cerakoted. So we're gonna stop by a shop and just film the process. Why Cerakoted, Josh?
Why Cerakoted? The main reason why we do this is because this is a barrier coating, and what barrier coatings do is they keep the heat in. So what this does is it reduces underhood temperatures drastically. And since the E36 is very cramped in there for a turbo kit, we need to get all the temps down as much as possible.
So that's it for this video. Next time we're gonna be putting the motor on a stand, start disassembling it, get the head off, drop it off the machine shop, hopefully start putting this thing back together soon. So yeah, that's it for this one. Catch you guys later. Peace.